Good afternoon, YouTube. Box Fan Willie here with a Galaxy E29739 20-inch 2-speed box fan. I believe this is from the early 1980s. It's got the plastic motor. Could be from late 70s. If you know about what year this is from, feel free to chime in. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I don't remember exactly where this fan came from because I've had it for quite a few years, and since then I've had a bunch of other fans come and go, so it's easy to lose track. So I'm not sure exactly. I don't remember where I bought it from, but I know I've had it for quite a while. Okay, let's do startup sound. That was high speed. And that's low speed. It still has its handle. I know this generation of Lascos were notorious for losing handles, but this one still has it. This one here, it's got some minor patina on it, but overall, for the age it's in pretty good shape. This is rated for 2.2 amps. So it is running below spec, which is a very good sign. It means it's got a good healthy motor in it. And all the slats are still in it, so it's in pretty good shape. Anyway, this is my early 80s 20-inch 2-speed Galaxy box fan. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.